Hey, welcome back to Kizzy's Place, and it's time for another RV update. I know I have not posted one in quite some time. My friends came in town, we had a fabulous time, and right after that I was sick for like 2 weeks. But it's all good. And in the meantime, since my last posting about the RV, we've had several storms here, and I got a rude awakening. Yeah. On the slide out, I found out there was still a breach in the fort and there was still water leaking in from the slide out. So I took the advice of one of my subscribers who said, next time get some help. I got some help this time. The slide out was not all the way completely pulled out, and so water was seeping in at the top, and it wasn't discovered because we had a tarp over it, for one. And number two, the weather was extremely hot. Remember all the hot 100-degree weather days, everything was dry. And if we had rain, it was just a really quick rain and then it stopped. Well, recently we had some serious rain. So water started to seep in again. So I hired a person to do my roof. Yeah, I told him, I need for you to make the leaking stop, please. So I'm in the RV right now and I had to pull out, remember this? Yeah, okay. I had to pull all of that out again. Everything doesn't always go right, and I've never done this before, so all of it is a learning experience for me. But one thing I think that I did well is I bought this RV for so cheap that I left a lot of cushion for me to make mistakes and to do what I need to do. But I can tell you right now that I learned two things from that exercise. Number one, whenever you have leaks in your RV, you really need to get a professional on the scene to make sure that your leaks are completely sealed, that your roof is redone, your slide out is redone, and your leaks are completely over before you start getting happy and wanting to do all the stuff I did, which is get to the fun part, decorating. So I learned that the hard way. It cost me some money. Let's see, when I did that all of that paneling, that cost me probably about 150 bucks. So 150 bucks plus the paint, I'm gonna say under $200 is what I wasted, okay? And I have to just be honest about it. But if I had paid someone to do that, that would have been a lot of money. Well, this time I decided I'm just gonna rip out the whole thing. So I tore it out all the way to the end of the slide, even though over here is still bone dry. Everything was dry. I'm just waiting a few more days. I'm waiting for the next little rainstorm to come through to make sure no more water drips in here. Like I said, I paid someone, so this time if I have drips, somebody is going to be, snatched up by the collar. But nevertheless, I'm still happy about my project. I'm still excited about my project, and I'm thinking ahead to what I'm going to do once I get this rebuilt, which now that I've done it once, I know exactly what to do. The other thing I learned is the type of material to use, because I was shocked that that paneling that looked like shiplap, it was pretty, but it was like cardboard. It was like sponge. So when the water hit it, it just started to swell up. It was awful. I was like, oh my goodness. It had no ability to withstand any moisture whatsoever. So that's not something that you want to put in your RV, because oh my goodness, RVs are subject to moisture. 1/8 inch paneling that I'm going to be buying, and put that up instead and paint that. But I'm not going to do any of it until we get the next storm, which is due in a couple of days. And after that water gets to whipping around, the day I can walk in here and there is absolutely no dripping after that major storm, then that's my cue to move forward. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know what was happening. All right, that's it for today. Have a great day. I'll be back to share more about the RV soon as we have a storm. I'm going to give you an update. All right, take care. See you next time.